In this vlog, we will try to see the implementation of one signal based push notification in your Flutter application. So here we will be making use of this tool called One Signal, and in the background we will be using Firebase. We have also seen a previous tutorial on implementation of push notifications using Firebase with sending a push notification, right? So whenever you are making use of this particular One Signal, you can just try to send the push notification from the One Signal console itself, or else you can just make use of an API call also. So here from the messages you can just go and push a notification, but now we'll be trying to see a push notification with the help of a Postman here. So with the help of Postman I will be making an API call that will trigger a push notification. So here you can see these are the logs being displayed here, device registered, and this is our user ID. Go to the Postman here and tap on the send button here, and you can observe the notification is been received here. So yes, here we have received our notification, and inside the logs you can also find the same information. So you can just refer to this project before getting started with this particular tutorial, and if you are having a good knowledge regarding the implementation, you can just skip it.